Welcome to Quick Tech. Today's video is about Elementor Website Builder. In today's digital age, a website is more than just an online presence. It's your virtual storefront and brand ambassador. Choosing the right platform is paramount, and that's where WordPress comes in. WordPress's open-source nature empowers anyone to create stunning, functional websites. Its intuitive interface, vast plugin library, and supportive community make it a top choice worldwide. Enter Elementor, a game-changing WordPress plugin that takes website creation to a whole new level. Imagine designing pixel-perfect layouts and adding dynamic content without writing a single line of code. Elementor empowers you to unleash your creativity and build a website that truly reflects your vision. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, Elementor provides the tools to bring your ideas to life. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of Elementor, exploring its key features and real-world applications. Imagine building your dream website effortlessly by dragging and dropping elements onto the page. That's the power of Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. No more technical headaches, no more design limitations. Choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates or start from scratch and let your creativity soar. Customize every detail, from fonts and colors to layouts and animations, all with a few clicks. Add contact forms, integrate social media feeds, embed Google Maps, and more, all without writing a single line of code. Elementor's extensive library of widgets and extensions provides endless possibilities to enhance your website's functionality. Craft an experience, not just a website. Elementor is more than just a website builder. It's a comprehensive design suite packed with features. First up, we have the Theme Builder. Elementor's Theme Builder allows you to design every aspect of your website, from header to footer. Create custom templates for your blog posts, archive pages, 404 pages, and more. Next, let's talk about the Pop-Up Builder. Elementor's Pop-Up Builder lets you create stunning, high-converting pop-ups that integrate seamlessly with your website. And for data enthusiasts, Elementor's built-in A/B testing functionality helps optimize your website for conversions. Elementor's versatility shines through in its ability to cater to a wide range of website needs. Whether you're a blogger, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or a creative agency, Elementor provides the tools to bring your vision to life. For bloggers, Elementor offers design options to create visually appealing and engaging blog posts. E-commerce businesses can leverage Elementor's integration with WooCommerce to create stunning online stores, design product pages, create compelling sales funnels, and optimize your checkout process. For creative agencies and freelancers, Elementor provides the perfect platform to showcase your work and attract new clients. Build stunning online portfolios and create case studies that demonstrate your process and results. Elementor empowers you to build a digital presence that reflects your unique brand. Turn your website into a captivating online destination. Weighing the scales: Elementor's pros, cons, and pricing. Pros: the intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes Elementor a joy to use, even for those with no coding experience. Elementor gives you granular control over every design aspect. Its rich feature set, including the Theme Builder, Pop-Up Builder, and A/B testing functionality, empowers you to create sophisticated websites. Choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates to jumpstart your design process. Elementor also boasts a vibrant community of users and developers. Cons: mastering all of its features takes time and practice. Over-reliance on plugins can potentially impact website performance. Pricing: while Elementor offers a free version, accessing its full potential requires investing in a premium plan. Empowering your web journey: is Elementor right for you? If you're seeking a user-friendly yet powerful WordPress website builder, Elementor is worth considering. Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, extensive design flexibility, and powerful features make it a top choice. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, Elementor provides the tools and support you need to succeed. Elementor empowers you to build a website that not only looks great, but also performs exceptionally well. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Elementor. Explore Elementor's offerings further and discover how it can unlock your website's true potential. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Also like and share knowledge. Thank you very much. Cheers!